Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Haylou Phone application on our phone. In the app, you should tap on the Me icon to open the profile page, and now tap on the Haylou RS4 right here on the list of my devices to select it. On this page, scroll down, find the category called More Tools, and in this category you should see the alarm clock option. Tap on it to enter the menu. And as you can see right here, we have the pre-existing alarm clocks. We can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switches. Come on. Like this, we can enable or disable them. You can also tap on the clock, or rather alarm clock itself, to edit it, and here we can change the time, or rather the hour on which the alarm will go off. We can tap on when to repeat to change the day on which the alarm will be active, and we can select every Monday to Friday, daily, or custom. If you select custom, you can select specific days if you want. And at the bottom we have label, and we can tap on it and assign the label to the alarm so we can recognize it. And once you're done editing, you can tap on the check mark to save the settings. And here we have our alarm. We can also add a new one by tapping on the plus. We can set the hour, minutes, when to repeat, a label. And once you're done customizing the settings, you can tap on the check mark. And here we have it. We can, like I said before, enable or disable the alarms by tapping on the switch, and we can also remove the alarms from the list by by pressing and holding on one and tapping on confirm to remove it. Like this. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can close the app. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.